अखण्डे मण्डलाकारं व्याप्तं येन चराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुरेव परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सावरं जङ्गमं व्याप्तं यत्किञ्चित् सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चिन्मयं व्यापि यत्सर्वं त्रैलोक्यं सचराचरं तत्पदं दर्शितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। सर्वश्रुतिशिरोरत्न विराजितपदाम्बुजः वेदान्ताम्बुजसूर्यो तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। चैतन्यशाश्वतः शान्तो व्योमातीतो निरञ्जनः बिन्दुनादिकलातीतः तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ज्ञानशक्तिसमारूढः तत्त्वमालाविभूषितः भुक्तिमुक्तिप्रदाता च तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अनेकजन्मसम्प्राप्त कर्मबन्धविदाहिने आत्मज्ञानप्रदानेन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। शोषणं भवसिन्धोश्च नापणं सारसम्पदः गुरोपादोदकं सम्यक् तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। न गुरोरधिकं तत्त्वं न गुरोरधिकं तपः तत्त्वज्ञानात् परं नास्ति तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। मन्नाथ श्री जगन्नाथ है, मद्गुरु श्री जगद्गुरु, मदात्मा सर्वभूतात्मा, तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। गुरुरादिरनादिश्च गुरु परमदैवतं, गुरो परतरं नास्ति, तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव।
घुष्यते यस्य नगरे रङ्गयात्रादिने दिने, तमहं शिरसा वन्दे राजानं कुलशेखरम्। वन्दे मुकुन्दमरविन्ददलायताक्षम्, कुन्देन्दुशङ्करशनं शिशुगोपवेशम्, इन्द्रादिदेवगणवन्दितपादपीठम्, वृन्दावनालयमहं वसुदेवसूनुम्। श्रीवल्लभेति वरदेति दयापरेति, भक्तप्रियेति भवलुण्ठनकोविदेति, नादेति नादशयनेति जगन्निवासेति, आलापनं प्रतिपदं कुरु मां मुकुन्द। जयतु जयतु देवो देवकी नन्दनोऽयं, जयतु जयतु कृष्णो वृष्णिवंशप्रदीपः, जयतु जयतु मेघश्यामलः कोमलाङ्गो, जयतु जयतु पृथ्वी भारनाशो मुकुन्दः। मुकुन्दमूर्ध्ना प्रणिपत्य याचे, भवन्तमेकान्तमियन्तमर्थम्, हरिस्मृतिस्त्वच्चरणारविन्दे, भवे भवे मेस्तु भवत्प्रसादात्। नाहं वन्दे तव चरणयोर्द्वन्द्वमद्वन्द्वहेतोः, कुम्भीपाकं गुरुमपि हरे नारकं नापनेतुम् रम्या रामा मृदुतनुलतां नन्दनेनाभिरन्तुम् भावे भावे हृदय भवने भावयेयं भवन्तम् नास्था धर्मे नवसुनिचये नैव कामोपभोगे यद्यद्भाग्यं भवतु भगवन् पूर्वकर्मानुरूपम् एतत् प्रार्थ्यं मम बहुमतं जन्म जन्मान्तरेऽपि त्वत्पादाम्भोरुहयुगगता निश्चला भक्तिरस्तु दिवि वा भुवि वा ममास्तु वासः नरके वा नरकान्तकप्रकामम् अवधीरितशारदारविन्दौ शरणौ ते मरणेऽपि चिन्तयामि कृष्णत्वदीयपदपङ्कजपञ्जरान्तः अद्यैव मे विशतु मानसराजहंसः प्राणप्रयाणसमये कफवातपित्तैः कण्ठावरोधनविधौ स्मरणं कुतस्ते चिन्तयामि हरिमेव सन्ततम् मन्दमन्दहसिताननाम्बुजम् नन्दगोपतनयं परात्परम् नारदादिमुनिवृन्दवन्दितम् सरसिजनयने सशङ्खचक्रे मुरभिरिमाविरमस्वचित्करन्तुम् सुखकरमपरं न जातु जाने हरिचरणस्मरणामृतेन तुल्यम् माभीर्मन्दमनो विचिन्त्य बहुधा यामीश्चिरं यातना नामी न प्रभवन्ति प्रापरिभवः स्वामी ननु श्रीधरः आलस्यं व्यपनीय भक्तिसुलभं ध्यायस्व नारायणम् लोकस्य व्यसनापनोदनकरो दासस्य किं न क्षमः।
कोई भी टाइम में करो, सब कुछ नहीं है। देखो नाम जप ऐसा है ना जिसके लिए कुछ जरूरी नहीं है। सुबह ही करना चाहिए, दोपहर को ही करना चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, कभी भी कर सकते हो। और माला के साथ करना है तो नहा के करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन माला के साथ नहीं करना है तो नहाने की भी जरूरत नहीं। जैसे उठते हो शुरू हो जाओ, क्या है उसमें प्रॉब्लम? उसके लिए कुछ नहीं लगता, ये बता। अब अगला विषय क्या लिया तो बोले भगवान, हम जब दुनिया की तरफ देखते हैं ना तो दुनिया की सारी चीजें इतनी बड़ी 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 नजर आती है, लेकिन आपके लिए वो सारी चीजें कैसी है? बोले एकदम छोटी सी। ये मुद्दा लिया क्या? पृथ्वी रेणुरणुः पयांसि कणिका फल्गुस्फुलिंगो लघुः तेजो निश्वसनं मरुत्तनुतरम् रन्ध्रं सुसूक्ष्मं नभः क्षुद्रारुद्रपितामह प्रभृतयः कीटाः समस्ताः सुराः दृष्टे यत्र सतावको विजयते भूमावधूतावधिः पृथ्वी रेणुरणुः पयांसि कणिका फल्गुस्फुलिंगो लघुः तेजो निश्वसनं मरुत्तनुतरं रन्ध्रं सुसूक्ष्मं नभः क्षुद्रारुद्रपितामह प्रभृतयः कीटाः समस्ताः सुराः दृष्टे यत्र सतावको विजयते बोले पृथ्वी रेणु, बोले जो इतनी बड़ी पृथ्वी है ना वो आपके लिए रेणु के समान है। रेणु का अर्थ क्या होता है? डस्ट पार्टिकल। रेणु इतना सा, कैसी अणु अणु है, अणु। पृथ्वी रेणु अणु, अणु मतलब क्या, एकदम छोटी है आपकी, इनसिग्निफिकेंट, तुच्छ है, नगण्य है आपके सामने। पृथ्वी कैसी है तो बोले रेणु के समान। पयांसी, इतना सारा पानी है ना, कहते हैं पृथ्वी पे 70% पानी है, ओशन, रिवर्स, ये वो, ये सारा पानी आपके लिए कैसा है बोले कणिका, एक ड्रॉप के समान, एक बिंदु के समान। फल्गु, फल्गु मतलब एकदम छोटा, कुछ उसमें कुछ बताने जैसा कुछ नहीं। हाँ, स्फुलिंग लघु, स्फुलिंग मतलब स्पार्क, स्पार्क जाता है ना, मतलब क्या कहते हैं, हाँ फायर नहीं, स्पार्क तुम, हाँ छोट, मराठी में तो मुझे भी आता है, हिंदी में तो ढूंढ रहा हूँ मैं, चिंगारी, बराबर, छोटी सी जस्ट चिंगारी, एक सेकंड के लिए आते हैं। बोले वो क्या है लघु, वो छोटी चिंगारी क्या है तो बोले तेज। बोले जितनी भी आग है ना दुनिया में, सारे तीनों लोकों में, वो आपके लिए कैसे है तो बोले एक छोटी सी चिंगारी के समान। मतलब क्या है कि जो हमारे लिए बहुत बड़ी बड़ी चीजें, आपके लिए तो वो एकदम छोटी छोटी चीजें। बोले मरुत, बोले जो पवन चलते रहता है ना, वायु है, वो क्या है बोले निश्वसनम, ये आपके ब्रीद आउट के समान है। जैसे आप हवा लेते हो, छोड़ते हो ना, वो संपूर्ण वायु, दुनिया का पूरा वायु क्या है तो बोले आपके लिए तो ये सिर्फ निश्वसनम है। रंध्र, सुसूक्ष्मम रंध्रम, बोले और आपके लिए सुसूक्ष्म मतलब छोटे से भी छोटा सा जो एक रंध्रम, रंध्रम मतलब होल, एक जो छेद है ना, वो है नभ। अब बताओ, सुसूक्ष्मम नभ। और क्या कहा, क्षुद्राः, तुच्छ क्या है, रुद्र पितामह प्रभृत, ऐसे जो त्रिमूर्ति है ना प्रकृति, रुद्र और पितामह, पितामह मतलब ब्रह्मा जी, हाँ हमारे सबके ग्रैंडफादर, मैंने बोला था। तो ये शंकर भगवान और ब्रह्मा जी है ना, क्षुद्र, आपके सामने कुछ भी नहीं। और क्या कहा, कीटाः समस्ता सुराः, बोले और ये सारे देवता है ना, इंद्र, वरुण, अग्नि, वायु, ये सारे जो देवता है ना, वो कीटाः, कीटाः मतलब इंसेक्ट्स, छोटे छोटे रहते हैं, चींटी, उतने ही है आपके लिए। और फिर क्या कहा, दृष्टि यत्र, ये आपकी जो दृष्टि है ना, जिसमें ये सब कुछ इतना छोटा 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 है, सह विजयते, वो दृष्टि विजयी हो, भूमौ, इस पूरे दुनिया में, अधूता अवधि, जिसको कोई लिमिट नहीं। हाँ, ये भूमावधूता है ना, उसका संधि कैसे होगा, भूमौ अधूता, अवधूता नहीं है, अवधूत नहीं है, अवधूत का कुछ लेना देना है नहीं उसमें। भूमौ अधूत अवधि, अधूत अवधि मतलब अनलिमिटेड। आपका जो आपकी जो दृष्टि है ना, वो इतनी बड़ी है, वो हमेशा विजयी रहे, वो हमेशा बड़ी रहे।
तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम श्री गणेशाय नमः। ओम श्री सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। समस्त जन कल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं। नमः श्रीशङ्करानन्द गुरुपादाम्बुजन्मने सविलासमहामोहग्राहग्रासैककर्मम्।
हम लोगों ने अब तक वेदांत के मुख्य विषयों को देखा, जीव जगत ईश्वर, पहली कक्षा। फिर उसके बाद महावाक्य क्या होते हैं और उसका जो विचार होता है वो किस प्रकार से होता है, जीव और जगत में क्या संबंध है, जगत और ईश्वर में क्या संबंध है, और जीव और ईश्वर में क्या संबंध है, ये भी चीजें देखी। कल की कक्षा में हम लोग इस संपूर्ण सृष्टि की, जगत की उत्पत्ति कैसे होती है, इसका कर्ता कौन है, कारण कौन है, ये चीजें देखी। बराबर है ना। निमित्त कारण है ब्रह्म, उसको हम लोगों ने नाम दिया ईश्वर, क्योंकि ईश्वर संपूर्ण माया के साथ है, उसको हम लोग मायापति कहते हैं, और हम लोग माया दास हैं। मतलब क्या है कि माया हम पे हुक्म चलाती है, लेकिन माया पे हुक्म चलाने वाले वो ईश्वर है, वो भगवान है। 14वें अध्याय में भगवान श्री कृष्ण कहते हैं भगवद गीता के कि माया माना कि बहुत ही मुश्किल है, दैवी हेषा गुणमयी मम माया दुरत्य, बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट है पार करने के लिए। लेकिन उधर उन्होंने उसका जवाब भी दिया, मामेव ये प्रपद्यन्ते मायामेतां तरन्ति ते। बोले जो मुझे शरण आते हैं वो माया को पार करते हैं। क्यों? क्योंकि भगवान माया के परे है। भगवान माया बना सकते हैं तो माया निकाल भी सकते हैं हमारे ऊपर से। तो ये बात यहाँ पे याद रखनी, ईश्वर मायापति है, हम लोग माया के दास हैं। जगदोद्धारिणी माता दुर्गा, जगदोद्धारिणी माँ, जागो जागो माँ, जागो जागो माँ, जागो जागो माँ जननी, जागो जागो माँ, जागो जागो माँ, जागो जागो माँ जननी, जागो जागो माँ, जागो जागो माँ, जागो जागो माँ जननी। Pledge together. We stand as one family, bound to each other with love and respect. We serve as an army, courageous and disciplined, ever ready to fight against all low tendencies and false values within and without us. We live honestly the noble life of sacrifice and service, producing more than what we consume and giving more than what we take. We seek the Lord's grace to keep us on the path of virtue, courage and wisdom. May Thy grace and blessings flow through us to the world around us. We believe that the service of our country is the service of the Lord of Lords, and devotion to the people is the devotion to the Supreme Self. Last line, please repeat. We know our responsibilities.
We know our responsibilities.
Give us the ability and courage.
Give us the ability and courage
to fulfill them.
to fulfill them.
Om Tat Sat.
Om Tat Sat.
So the last line we come to, where Pujya Gurudev says, we have said so many things. We stand, we serve, we live, we seek, we believe. Now he says, we know our responsibilities. What are the responsibilities? Which are said in previous lines. We know our responsibilities. So that means what? We are going to behave like responsible people. Pledge is always taken where we promise something to the God, isn't it? Where we say that I take this pledge, means what? I promise something. So there what are we saying now? We know our responsibilities. Means what? Now onwards we are going to be responsible citizens. We know our responsibilities. Give us the ability and courage to fulfill them. Prayer is for Lord, where He says, give us the ability and courage. Now responsibility we already know. We know that we should stand for our country. We should stand as a team, bound to each other with love and respect. We should live honestly. Isn't it? Service, sacrifice, everything should be there. We know all these things. Now what we need is ability to follow what we know. Ability and courage to fulfill them. Means what? We already know what is to be done. Now give us the ability and courage to fulfill what we already know. When Gurudev started Chinmay Yuva Kendra in 1975, he made one point very clear. What is the clear distinction between Chinmay Yuva Kendra and other youth clubs? He said this is not a group of aimless youngsters. They know what they are supposed to do. And if somebody is there who is aimless, please stop calling yourself chick. That's what he means. He says here what we do is we have spiritual touch to everything that we do. We take the knowledge from the scriptures, we learn from our culture, and we live our life the way youngsters live. Yuva Kendra doesn't mean that suddenly you will become, meditative and you will not enjoy outside things. Somebody calls you to play, they will say, no, now I am in Yuva Kendra. Nothing like that happens. You come for camp, then you will know. Here is just a glimpse of what happens in Yuva Kendra camp. You should come once just to visit, okay?
Pandharinath Panduranga Radhe Govinda
शंभो भजे हरे भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे हरे भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे हरे भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे गण 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 घंटा बजे गण 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 घंटा बजे हरे भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे हरे भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे हरे भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे हरे भोलेनाथ शिव शंभो भजे
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम्
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं
रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्
रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम्
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं
रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्
रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्
कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं
कौन कहते हैं भगवान आते नहीं
तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं
तुम मीरा के जैसे बुलाते नहीं
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरम्
अच्युतं केशवं कृष्णदामोदरं
रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्
रामनारायणं जानकीवल्लभम्
कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं
कौन कहते हैं भगवान खाते नहीं
वेद शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं
वेद शबरी के जैसे खिलाते नहीं
You are the son of Shiva Parvati. Standing on the mat of Archina's hand of Standing on the mat of looking the sapato on the face of the defendo. You have the face of the defendo.
राम एक नाम है कृष्ण एक नाम है कृष्ण एक नाम है राम और कृष्ण दोनों मिला
Hare
विनोदिनि नन्दनुते गिरिवरविन्द शिरोदिनि वासिनि विष्णुविलासिनि जिष्णुनुते भगवति देशिनि खण्डकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते शिववरवर्षिणि दुर्गरदर्शिनि दुर्मुखमर्षिणि हर्षरते त्रिभुवनतोषिणि शङ्करदोषिणि किल्बिषमोषिणि दोषरते तन्वनिरोषिणि स्तुतिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते जय जगदम्बवदम्बवदम्बवनप्रियवासिनि आदरते शिवरि शिरोमणि सुन्दरिमालय शृङ्गरिलासय मध्यगते मधुमधुरे मधुकैटभवन्तिनि कैटभवन्तिनि आसरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते महिषतकन्दरि कन्यकदुन्दविकुण्डिकदुन्दगजाधिपते त्रिभुवनदण्डविधारण चण्डपराक्रम चण्डमृगाधिपते निजभुजदण्डविधारितमण्डविधारितमुण्डमठाधिपते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते हैरणदुर्मद शत्रुवरोधित दुर्धर निर्जर शक्तिकृते चतुरविचार सुधीर महाशतभूतकृतं प्रमथाधिपते दुरितदुरीन दुराशय दुर्मतिदानवदूतकृतान्तमते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते हैशरणागत वैरिवधूवर वीरवराभयदायकरे त्रिभुवनमस्तकशूलविरोधि शिरोधिषु दामनशूलकरे तुमि तुमि
बोले श्री महिषासुरमर्दिनी माता की
महाविष्णु चाहिए कि नहीं? अपने पास भी एक महाविष्णु, उनका नाम भी क्या है? मले जी। इधर आ जाओ आप। उनका नाम भी गोपाल कृष्ण है। मैं तो हमेशा सिर्फ बोलता हूँ कि मले जी अगला कैंप इधर लेना, लेकिन बाकी का सारा काम करने के लिए भी तो कोई चाहिए कि नहीं? हाँ, तो ये आपके लिए
सबसे छोटा बच्चा है।
इस तरफ सब लोग, इस तरफ, इस तरफ, इस तरफ, सब लोग इस तरफ।
अथासनम् ओमासनं गृह्यतामीश निर्मलं स्वर्णनिर्मितम् आधारं सर्वजगतां गुरुदेव नमोऽस्तुते। ओम श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। आसनार्थे पुष्पं समर्पयामि। अथ पाद्यं गृहाण भगवन् पावनं परमेश्वर सच्शिष्य हृदयानन्द पापं सर्वं विमोहय। ओम श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। पादयोः पाद्यं समर्पयामि। अथ अर्घ्यम् ओम चैतन्यं शाश्वतं शान्तं व्योमातीतं निरञ्जनं नादबिन्दुकलातीतं तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ओम श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। हस्तयोः अर्घ्यं समर्पयामि। अथ आचमनम् ओम यत्सत्येन जगत्सत्यं यत्प्रकाशेन भाति यत् यदानन्देन नन्दन्ति तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। ओम श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। मुखे आचमनीयं समर्पयामि। अथ स्नानीयम् ओम नित्यं शुद्धं निराभासं निराकारं निरञ्जनं नित्यबोधं चिदानन्दं गुरुं ब्रह्म नमाम्यहम्। ओम श्री चिन्मय सद्गुरवे नमः। शुद्धोदकस्नानं समर्पयामि। अथ हरिः ओम सहस्रशीर्षा पुरुषः सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात् सभूमिं विश्वतो धृत्वा अत्यतिष्ठदशाङ्कुलं पुरुष एवेदं सर्वम् यद्भूतं यच्च भव्यम् उदामृतत्वस्येषानः यदन्येनातिरोहति एतावानस्य महिमा अतो जायागच्छपुरुषः आदोऽस्य विश्वा भूतानि त्रिपादस्यामृतं दिवि त्रिपादूर्ध्वोदयपुरुषः आदोऽस्येहापानः ततो विश्वं व्यक्रामद शासनानशने अभि तस्मात् विराजो अधिपुरुषः स जातो अत्यरिच्यत पश्चात् भूमिमतो पुरः यत्पुरुषेण हविषा एवायज्ञमन्वत वसन्तो अस्यासीदार्जम् ग्रीष्मयुग्मशरद्रविः सप्तास्यासन् परिधयः त्रिसप्त
समिधकृताः देवाय यज्ञं तन्वानाः अवर्णन् पुरुषं पशुं तन्यज्ञं परिशिक्रोषन् पुरुषं जातममृतः तेन देवायजन्त साध्याश्रयसे तस्मात् यज्ञाः सर्वभूतः समृतं वृषदाज्यं पशुपस्तागश्चक्रे वायव्यानसम्भूतं पृथिव्येन साहास विश्वकर्मणः समवर्तताभि तस्य तुष्टाविदधद्रूपमेभि तत्पुरुषस्य विश्वमाजानमग्रे वेदाहमेतं पुरुषं महान्तम् आदित्यवर्णं तमसः परस्तात् तमेवं विद्वानमृतय भवति नान्यः पन्था विद्यते यनाय प्रजापतिश्चरति गर्भे अन्तः अजायमानो बहुधा विजायते तस्य वीराः परिजानन्ति योनिं मरीचीनां पदमिच्छन्ति वेदसः यो देवेभ्यः वाचति यो देवानां पुरोहितः पूर्वो यो देवेभ्यो जातः नमो रुचाय ब्राह्मये रुचं ब्राह्मं जनयन्तः देवा अग्रे तद्ब्रुवन् यस्वैवं ब्राह्मणो विद्यात् तस्य देवाः सन्नसे वीक्षते लक्ष्मीश्चरत्नो अहोरात्रे पार्श्वे नक्षत्राणि रूपम् अश्विनो व्याप्तम् इष्टं मनुषाणाम्।
अथ अर्चना अथ श्री स्वामी चिन्मयानंद अष्टोत्तर शतनामावलिः।
तस्मै नमः। ॐ ओंकारविदे नमः। ॐ करुणासागराय नमः। ॐ कर्मपरायणाय नमः। ॐ बालागीताय नमः। ॐ नैवेद्यस्वरूपाय नमः। ॐ कृतात्मने नमः। ॐ कृतकृत्याय नमः। ॐ गीताज्ञानयज्ञप्रचारकाय नमः। ॐ गुरवे नमः।
इधर आओ सिद्धू, इधर खड़े रह के बता। सिद्धू तू पिछले का पकड़ लेगा। तू हाथ पकड़ ले, दो बैरियर है, घंटा भी है एक कल।
एक्चुअली अगर पैर में सूजन थक तो आराम से निकल पाएगा। देखो फोटो चैतन्य इधर
आगे मागे वही सीधा जा रहा है।
मलय जी हरिओम।
हरिओम हरिओम।
आप जरा कैंप कैसे ऑर्गेनाइज किए आपने, एंड कैंप में कितने लोग आए, किस तरह से हुआ ये सब कुछ, इसके बारे में जरा संक्षेप में बताइए ना।
ऐसा है कि हमारा आचार्य जी ब्रह्मचारी वेद चैतन्य 3 साल पहले हमारा आश्रम में पोस्टिंग हुआ उनका। तो उनका इच्छा ऐसा था कि लोकल थोड़ा थोड़ा सत्संग वगैरह हो रहा था, तो हमने रिक्वेस्ट किया उनको कैंप लेंगे। तो उनका इच्छा ऐसा था कि पहला कैंप लेंगे हम आदिशंकर निलयम में, वो वेलियानाड बोल के जगह है नियर एर्नाकुलम। तो लास्ट ईयर 2015 में मई में हम लोग वेलियानाड में आदिशंकर निलयम में हमारा पहला कैंप हुआ वेद जी के साथ। तभी हमारा जो प्लानिंग था 100 लोगों का कम से कम हम लेके जाएंगे और कैंप करेंगे। लेकिन वी कुड गेट अराउंड 49 people ओनली। इट वाज गुड, इट वाज गुड। फिर उस टाइम पे हम लोग कन्याकुमारी और पद्मनाभ टेम्पल ऐसा सारे और बैक वाटर्स वगैरह विजिट किए और लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया। तो लोगों ने और इच्छा जताई कि हर साल ऐसा हम कैंप करेंगे। तो फिर वेद जी का इंटरेस्ट था, तो नेक्स्ट कैंप हम सिद्धबारी में करेंगे। ये तपोभूमि, ये तपोभूमि तो या इसको तपोवन भी बोलते हैं। हमारा जो गुरुदेव है स्वामी चिन्मयानंद जी, उनका ये ड्रीम ऐसा था। तो उनका गुरुदेव का समाधि भी यही है। उस हिसाब से देखने को गए तो ये तो मई, इट्स अ डीप समर। बाकी जगह में बहुत गर्मी रहता है, लेकिन यहाँ बहुत मतलब ये तो हिमाचल प्रदेश में है, ठीक है, तो लोगों ने बहुत अच्छा पसंद किया इसको। और इसमें हमने नहीं सोचा था कि हो सकता है 50-60 लोग आएंगे, लेकिन टू टेल यू वी आर ऑल 100 people.
अरे वाह
100 people we have gathered. Last moment 1-2 people because of some reason they have gone back. Now we are 98 in all. So इधर आने का पहले हम लोगों ने वैष्णो देवी भी ट्रिप करके आए हैं। वहाँ 50 लोग हम गए थे, वैष्णो देवी ट्रिप करके यहाँ आए। अब ये 21 से 26 तक का ये कैंप ये हो रहा है। इस कैंप का जो मेन जो टेक्स्ट था सुबह पंचदशी में और 2 सेशन मुकुंद माला के ऊपर और शाम को एक सेशन मिशन प्लेज, हमारे चिन्मय मिशन का एक प्लेज होता है उसके ऊपर। लेकिन एक तो मैंने देखा सारे डेलीगेट्स जितने भी हमारे ग्रुप के 98 पीपल, राइट फ्रॉम 5-year-old किड टिल 84-year-old, 84-year-old, आई एम सॉरी, 84-year-old पर्सन, दे हैव सपोर्टेड अस टू fulfill all the requirements and they have enjoyed in all. Successful. To success this camp, they have supported us in full hearted. ऐसा है। तो इसके लिए I have to thank each and everyone. हरिओम।
हरिओम हरिओम कार्तिक
हरिओम
could you just let us know your experience on this camp, about where you are from, how did you come to know about this camp, and what's the biggest takeaway for you from here?
Sure. So actually we stayed in Ahmedabad and we've been known this camp by this year only, recently in fact. And my mother-in-law and my father-in-law was a part of Chinmaya mission since few months, and they actually recommended us to join them for this camp basically. Initially we thought it would be a part of like a normal satsang where everyone goes and gets certain knowledge about the satsang and everything, but it is completely 360-degree different.
Yeah.
This entire camp is all about transformation of yourself on current what the way you are living your life as of now, and what are the most important things which we don't know, like Vedanta. We don't know much about those things, but these are the new things which we want to know, and this knowledge will really help us out to come out of the situation what we normally face out, and we normally call it as an normal situation. Yes, so that is the most helpful thing we found in this camp, in fact, and we really believe that we are very late to be part of this particular Chinmaya mission.
And whatever Swamiji has said, each and every words are in our mind. And I really don't know how much we are going to take it and how much we are going to reflect in ourselves.
An inch of that.
But still, for sure, we are going to start a new journey.
Perfectly right.
The moment we reach Ahmedabad, we are going to start a new journey. That is for sure.
That's for sure. You got a very beautiful daughter. How do you inspire her? She is very much inspired into all these things. We have seen her. She was enjoying the evening satsangs, the bhajans and everything so much. So what do you do to inspire her so much?
No, in fact, we inspired from her this time actually.
This time, seriously. The moment she came over here, I was very much worried how I'm going to take care of her. This is going to be a satsang. What a 6-year-old child will do. I was literally worried. But the moment she came over here, it's a complete change. She left us all alone and she is enjoying and she is getting inspired by the people around here.
Absolutely.
That's the thing.
Absolutely.
And the best part is, normally at our age, we always believe that going out with our age people would always be better, in fact. But this time we found it is not like that.
Exactly.
It is never like
Age
that.
is not
Age doesn't matter.
Thinking also.
Absolutely. Age doesn't matter. Thinking is what is there.
Exactly.
And also tell me one thing. Since this camp was in Hindi, are you comfortable with understanding things or did you find anything difficult?
No. We are well versed with Hindi,
and
English.
And being from Ahmedabad, probably you had
correct.
that edge out there.
Yeah.
And that is good that it is multilingual. So people who doesn't know in Hindi, Veji also took in English also. That was very easy, in fact, to get each and everything to us.
That's right. That's good. And anything you want to talk about the way things were accommodated, your accommodations?
It was phenomenal, in fact. We never thought
the moment we
Ashram would be
reached,
like this.
no, we came on 21st midnight. I think so. 3 o'clock we reached here. But still, the accommodation and the whichever was given to us, the watchman gave us the key. He was awake there, and he guided us each and everything. So there is no problem with the group and the management. Everything is simply super.
Hari Om.
Hari Om. This is my first time in Siddhabari. It has always been my dream to come here. It is a dream come true for me. And it's such a beautiful place. Just don't want to go back. Gurudev's Samadhi and the entire ashram is so very beautiful. Hanumanji, and our camp was par excellence. Ved Chaitanya ji has been a delight to say the least. We look forward to coming next year again. Hari Om.
So how did you like, what's the good thing that you liked about this camp?
Everything was good. As we can see, such a beautiful scenery which we don't get to see anywhere in Mumbai.
Yeah.
Climate, serene climate, spiritual climate. At the same time, the text, Mukundmala text, Panchadashi text, Janma Mission pledge, and all the text, in spite of being of Vedantic base, were so easily explained that all of us youngsters enjoyed it a lot.
And what about the evening picnics that you had?
It was just memorable. All memorable times we spent going to forest, going to the rivers, trekking, walking, and sharing so many experiences and listening to stories from Swamiji.
Yeah.
Everything was just
Amazing.
Yeah.
And about the stay itself?
That was totally comfortable, no problem we had. Definitely we saw various climates like rains in Himachal Pradesh, then heat over here, cold over here, everything we experienced, and I think we got the experience of entire year's climate here. Also we got all facilities very properly, very beautifully provided. We had no problem staying.
That's good. How about you?
I enjoyed my stay a lot. I had a lot of fun with everybody else.
Okay, that's good.
Yeah, camp was nice.
That's good. Yeah. So, tell us more about the evenings that you had after the camp.
Evenings or nights?
Yeah.
Evenings or nights. At evening we had satsang, and at night we played various games.
Okay. Yeah, we all of us had a discussion every night after the camp in Vegji's room, and sometimes we even went to the terrace to enjoy the night view.
That's good. So how did you like it? What's the good thing about the camp that you liked?
I liked so much.
You liked it so much? Good. Did you enjoy all the food?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. And all the lectures by Vedji? It's good. What about you?
So when I came, I wanted to come for this camp because I've come to Siddhabari before and I really liked it here. And I know this camp wasn't targeted at youngsters, but when I came here, it was, I didn't feel any different, and it was really nice. I made new friends. I learned a lot, and it was really beautiful being here. The whole experience was very memorable.
So is there any one thing that you would like to start doing when you go back home?
I'd like to attend more of Vedji's classes.
Okay. And what about in a daily life? Like, do you want to include any additional prayers or any additional ritual in your life, daily life, that can make a difference?
Well, not rituals as such, but Vedji has taught a lot, so I'd like to imbibe some of them in my daily life. I hope to.
Yeah. How about you?
Same.
Have you thought of something?
Same here.
Anything
we
on?
have learned a lot, but now it's time to practice. Go home back, go into our routines and get into the world and practice all what we have learned.
Fantastic. And how about something that you take back from the pledge that we do every day in the evening?
Actually, it's everything. It's about whatever we live, whatever we do. It has covered all the aspects of our living. So it is like a guide for our day-to-day living, and it will help in everything, whether it be personal, social, professional, or absolutely anything.
That's good. Thank you. So, how did you like? What's the big thing about the camp that you like?
Yeah, it is such a this is my 5th camp actually, but not with this Swamiji. I have generally attended many. The beauty of this camp is that he alone has handled. There has been always 2 acharyas, and he has handled 5 sessions, which means he has tremendous energy. And the conviction with which he talks proves that he is living that life. We can ourselves feel that, and also that he had taken the topics chosen the topics in such a way that he can cover all the types of people. The intellectual and the rational people are covered by Panchadasi, and the Bhakti Yoga people, which most of us are here, the ladies, he has used Mukunda Mala, and the youngsters who are full of energy, he has the Karma Yoga, for which he is explaining the pledge. So this way he has been very instrumental to cover up all the variety of people, and that's the greatness of Ve Chaitanya. And I've seen him from the days of Brahmachari days, and he has ever been ready to serve, always ever ready to serve. That was his bhava always. That's what I had noticed. He will become a crown of this mission, I am sure.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
So this is my first time here. I know nothing about this Chinmaya mission or anything. So it is my sister-in-law who just told me that there is this place. I'm a very restless person basically. I've been working so much, so she said you need peace. So I said no, I don't believe in all this. So she said no, you need to come and you need to feel this place. So yeah, she brought me here. It's done, I think, the biggest change of my life. Veji has been a big change for me too. I never knew there were so many things that I could explore. And yes, more and more of this is going to really enlighten me.
Are you a working professional?
Yes, I am a working professional.
So is there anything from this camp that you would like to imbibe in the day-to-day life that you would do?
Yes, first of all, I would, truthfulness is something that I've learned here.
Yeah.
Nothing to hide. Just be straight. Be good at work. Just do your work.
Yeah. And about devotion?
Devotion is, I think, in each one's, heart. Yeah, after this, devotion becomes more. I am devoted to my work now. The devotion changes also.
Absolutely. It's fantastic. And anything about the overall, the stay in this camp and anything that you would like to
Everything
think?
here has been excellent from the time I've come. I don't feel like going from here, but yeah, we are in this concrete jungle where we have children and we have to go back and,
Absolutely.
So, yeah, I will be coming back.
Yes,
And I would go there and I'll start serving. This is what I have.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.
Anything about the camp? Wow.
कैंप बहुत बढ़िया था. सब लोग आए थे, बहुत खुशी हुई. और टीचिंग वाज वेरी नाइस.
बच्चों के लिए कोई एडवाइस?
बच्चों के लिए एडवाइस, दिल खोल के मस्ती करें. मस्ती करने की उम्र है, मस्ती करें. बाद में मिलेगा नहीं गोल्डन टाइम.
गुड. हरि ओम. कशी आली कॅम्प?
मस्त. म्हणजे माझ्याकडे काही शब्द नाहीत, कारण मी असं सांगू नाही ना शकत. याचा मी भाग आहे. खुश. बेस्ट.
बरोबर आहे.
अजून काय बोलणार?
5 दिवस 6 दिवस कसे गेले तर कल्पनाच नाही ना.
म्हणजे आजच विषय झाला की अरे उद्या शेवटचा दिवस आला का, म्हणजे ते संपत आलं आता.
हम्म.
आता ते प्रत्येक कॅम्पच्या बाबतीत होतं, कारण आपण आवडीने आलो नाही तो एका अशी बांधील असतो ना आपण. त्यामुळे ते सगळ्या कॅम्पला असं होतं.
आणि हे टूर नेचर मध्ये आपण जे फॅमिली म्हणतो तसले एक्सपिरियन्स आहे इकडे.
म्हणजे नुसतं कॅम्प संपला असं नाही, बरोबरचे सगळे पण आता आपण पुन्हा लवकर भेटणार नाहीये किंवा एक बॉन्डेज होतच ना, म्हणजे समाऊ तेवढं ते फिलिंग तर असतं.
असंच. आणि एकदम टिपिकल फॅमिली सारखं, एकदम लहान मुलांपासून एकदम वरिष्ठ सगळे.
आणि जागेचं महात्म्य असतं.
जागेचं महात्म्य पण ते आहेतच. आणि त्यातनं दिवस वार काही लक्षातच नाही.
काहीच नसतं, ते बघायला लागतं. तारीख अमुके वार अमुके.
मल्ल्याची जेव्हा म्हणाले 2च दिवस राहिले आता, तेव्हा जाणीव झाली अरे बापरे 24 तारीख आहे.
बरोबर. आणि कॅम्प पण सगळं छान झाला ना.
खूप सुंदर. आणि मुख्य म्हणजे लहान मुलांपासून म्हाताऱ्या माणसांपर्यंत सगळ्यांनी एन्जॉय केला. कारण सहसा काय असतं की की आध्यात्मिक प्रवचनं म्हणजे काहीतरी जड क्लिष्ट असं जो समज असतो लोकांचा, तर त्याला ॲज इट इज आपलं मिशन अपवाद आहेच. पण वेदजींची सांगायची पद्धत अत्यंत सुंदर असल्यामुळे आणि युवा केंद्रातली सगळी मुलं त्यांना वैयक्तिकरित्या जोडलेली असल्यामुळे लहानांपासून मोठ्यांपर्यंत ते सगळ्यांचं मनही रमवू शकतात.
बरोबर.
आणि अतिशय सुंदर पद्धतीने सांगतात.
हरिओम.
Hariom. I would like to introduce myself as Mr. K. Karunakaran's daughter-in-law. My name is Shalini Chinmaya Prasad. So there's already Chinmaya Prasad in my name. I've come here for a sadhana spiritual camp with my 2 kids, my husband and my parents as well. So the whole family is here. And the purpose of coming for this camp is basically to spend some time with the scriptures, to come closer to our scriptures, spend some time with the Mahatmas here, learn some values in an easier way, because there are like-minded people, as you must already be knowing. There are around 100 of us, so it's easier to follow the discipline, to follow Vedanta over here. Then our Acharya, Brahmachari Ved Chaitanya Ji, is another dynamic personality, and the whole Vedanta, the whole scriptures, we are doing Mukundmala, the text, and Panchadashi. So the whole text is being put up in such a scientific and mathematical way that there is no doubt about anything, and it's easier for us to imbibe the knowledge and learn. Usually we attend summer camps outside. It's to learn some outside skills, to enhance our outside skills. But this is one place, one camp, spiritual camp, where we peep in within us and understand the purpose of our life. And the purpose of our life is what I have realized is giving maximum happiness to maximum people for maximum time. And this is what is the mission motto also. So I think in whatever little way we can actually take it forward, I think we'll be doing our bit, a little aunch that we say, that can be our contribution towards our nation and our scriptures. Another thing is, we always talk about the paradox of life. We have taller buildings and we have shorter tempers. We have wider expressways, but we have very narrow viewpoints. So this is one way to expand our viewpoints, to look at things very differently. And the children are here, they are attending all the sessions also. So it's a very nice way. Otherwise we would have to put in values, enforce values in some way or the other. Here they are learning it automatically. As I said, we are like-minded people, so they know discipline, they know the patriotism is already inbuilt, because we are doing our pledge also in detail. Then they know what is truth, what are they, what have they come here for, and basically making everybody happy. Something other than the routine life, and peeping within ourselves is what is the purpose of this camp. This is our 3rd camp. That itself shows that we are really interested in this, and I'm talking right now so that many others also get inspired and do come and attend such sadhana camps.
So in general, what is the biggest thing that you want to take away from this camp?
The biggest thing is happiness, the inner happiness, which I think is very, very necessary. We are expanding our comforts, but then the values and the happiness is reducing. So I think keeping ourselves happy is the biggest thing.
That's good. And the children also enjoyed the camp thoroughly.
In children, yesterday they came back into the rooms around 1 o'clock. So you can imagine, they are all a group, they are members of CHIK. The Yuva Kendra of Chinmaya Mission. So they have their own duties, they have their own responsibilities, and apart from that, they are enjoying, they are having their own activities and events. So it's really great. They are enjoying themselves thoroughly.
That's good. And overall, what about the organization of the camp itself, Malaya ji?
Yeah, it's beautiful, very meticulously planned. We not just the sessions, we also have free time, our own free time for sadhana. We have evening times wherein we go and visit our places outside. Like we are here at the foothills of the Dhauladhar ranges. So you can imagine the pine forests and everything around. So our basic general knowledge is also increasing. and we always have time to admire the beauty around and experience this serenity here.
Did you get a chance to visit the Cord?
Yes, we did visit Cord, and we also got chance to meet Asha ji, the in charge over there, and the wonderful work they're doing. It's amazing. Such a small organization and very humble people, but the way slowly they were explaining each and every activity, you could come to know that the amount of work they are doing is really tremendous, and in whatever little way we can contribute to it, I think it would be great.
Yes, Hari.
So we got an opportunity to actually serve the society in a very systematic way.
Yeah, and even the children were also inspired by the things that they saw at Cord.
Of course, the children, like, this is how you expose them to things. We did not tell them to do anything, but then they know, they have this idea behind, in the back of their minds, that, oh, we have to give back something to the society.
Yeah.
So that was really inspiring for them as well.
That's good. Hari Om Ma.
Hari Om.
कुलकर्जी हरिओम. जरा कॅम्प बद्दल जरा काय सांगा ना जरा.
तसं बघितलं तर ह्या कॅम्पसाठी अरे दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम आय हॅव अटेंडेड सच कॅम्प्स इन माय लाईफ. इवन दो वी वर हिअरिंग अबाउट चिन्मया कल्ट अँड चिन्मया मिशन, वी नेव्हर हॅड एनी डायरेक्ट पार्टिसिपेशन सो फार. We are there in this Ayyappa cult in Mumbai. In connection to that, we used to have so many times the connection with this Chinmaya Trust, Chinmaya Mission. But now because of involvement of one of our friends, we have attended this camp, and we are feeling that we have missed something in our past. Because now, by seeing our age, it may be last but one, or maybe a last one.
May God bless you with long life, sir.
Thank you. But see, actually the practical thing you have to accept. Because tomorrow I may be there, but I may not be in position to attend the camp. That will be. But anyway, what I have done, it is a very great experience. The people around, the people giving lectures and all that. Especially our Swamiji, even though he is a very young, very learned person. And what I am feeling, after 10 years, he will be such a great orator and all that, but I may be missing him. Because of my personal problem, I may not be in position to attend any camp also. But what has happened, I am grateful to the God. Thank you.
आणि पुढच्या पिढीसाठी आमच्यासाठी काही विशेष संदेश तुमच्याकडनं, जे आपण कॅम्पमधनं जे आपण प्रतिज्ञा बघितली, चिन्मया मिशनची प्रतिज्ञा जी बघितली, त्याच्यावरनं काही आमच्यासाठी काही तुमचे काही प्रेरणा.
One thing is there, to tell you something, I am not that big person or a great man. See, the great people can guide the people. What I can suggest maximum is, the young people, if you see the last 50 years, people were away from all the good things. But now, because of the participation of your young generation in this cult and this situation, you people should devote whenever you get some time to this sort of things. And I hope you people will do it. And I am hopeful for the new generation that they are more and more getting towards the nation, the dharma and all these things.
Hari Om. Hari Om.
Hari Om. It was a beautiful stay, one of the most pleasant camps that we have had, Mukund Mala camp. Prior to this, we had gone to Jammu, visited Vaishno Devi. Yes, I travelled there about 15 to 20 years back. It wasn't so tough, but now it was really tough to climb up and come down. Anyway, the joy of visiting Vaishno Devi shrine was tremendous and really enjoyed that. Coming to Mukund Mala camp, First of all, Malayaji was done a fantastic job. Vedji took all the trouble to explain to us Mukundmala and Panchdashi. Mukundmala was a nice poetry, very soothing to hear, very easy to understand, and good for one's own philosophical sense. Panchdashi, I found this to be quite hard. Of course, Vedji did all the logical reasoning to make us understand that everybody is same. Okay, theoretically we understand, but practically to imagine me and Vedji and you are same, it's a little unimaginable. I can't. It's very difficult to get into that situation and say the whole world and me are same.
We need to have more manan around this.
Really, it's very difficult. I don't know whether manan can make a difference to a person like me, but I felt it was more of theoretical rather than a practical philosophy. And today we are going back. It's a nice trip. It was a nice stay here. Weather was beautiful. Met a lot of people. Enjoyed their company. They were very helpful. I was sick initially, and a lot of medicines I got from them. And it was very nice. Of course, my wife also helped me quite a lot.
एक परिवार की भावना.
हाँ जी, एक परिवार की भावना. एंड यहाँ पे जितने भी लोग थे, they were so helpful कि बहुत ही अच्छा लगा उनसे मिलके. एंड इन कितने लोगों से हम पहले भी नहीं मिले थे, लेकिन अब मिलके अच्छा लगा. आई एम श्योर कि अब हम जब नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे तो एटलीस्ट हरिओम तो एक दूसरे को बोलेंगे. थैंक यू.
हरिओम. हरिओम.
Hariom.
So how was your experience with this camp?
No, I am coming to this Siddhabari for the first time. And first of all, I am very much sort of thrilled with the environment and the surroundings as far as the place is concerned. As far as the program is concerned, of course, we have been hearing Mr. Ved Chaitanya for quite some time. And we are used to his hearing to his lectures. But here, as a course for the whole day, listening to him and being in that complete environment, morning the Vedanta class, afternoon the Bhakti Sutra class, the Bhakti Grantha class, and evening some patriotic class. It was really interesting and I enjoyed it thoroughly.
How was the accommodation and everything? You were comfortable?
That's okay. Coming to an ashramam, it was more than what I expected. I would say that much only.
Hariom.
Hariom.
Tell us something about the experience in the camp for you.
As far as I am concerned, this is the first camp I have attended of Chimneyas. And I didn't know what I could expect from this camp. But after coming to the camp, I found that it is really worth attending Chimneyas camps. This camp is headed by this our Acharya, Brahmacharya, Chaitvaitanya. He is quite versatile. I mean, in the sense that he has got a thorough knowledge and a grasp of all the subjects, and he could make everything simpler so that people can understand. So that way, this camp is very good. And his lectures, particularly the one relating to the pledge of Chinmaya, that is very interesting. He's giving us free ideas of what we should do, and not just sit down and watch as we do nowadays. That is the most interesting. And the second part is the chord, which the work that Chinmaya does for the welfare of the local people. That is one of the best things I have seen.
Hariom.
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 Can you tell us something about your experience of this camp?
My experience is beautiful, fantastic. Similarly, we had this spiritual camp last year at SEF, Ernakulam. This is the second camp that I am experiencing. The entire experience was fantastic, beautiful. Last year we had it on the spiritual camp on Bhaja Govindam. This year the camp was, the text taken was Mukundmala, Panchadasi and on the mission pledge. The reason I am here for this camp is, like, we are already attending the Vedant course. So to practice it, all the Vedant things need to understand and get more in deep to understand more about this spiritual activities and all. And the best part is like Siddhabari, the environment, the serene atmosphere around makes it more better for a Vedantin to practice what he is learning. So overall the experience was beautiful, fantastic.
Yes.
And our Guruji with Chaitanya ji, he is a fantastic orator. That again pulls us towards him to attend all his camps, irrespective whether it is a camp or a session that he takes or a satsang that he takes, anything. It is awesome. And the best part is it's not only that the seniors enjoy this camp, it's not that just the youngsters enjoy this camp, even the children enjoy this camp. So I've got my in-laws, we parents are there, even our children are a part of this camp. And trust me, my children are enjoying a lot, and it's not just enjoying, they're also learning a lot from this camp.
Yes.
My young son, he's also learning step by step in this process. My daughter is learning, and we are also learning.
Yeah.
And my father-in-law, mother-in-law, now they don't understand English much. Father-in-law understands. My mother-in-law, she doesn't understand English much. She speaks and listens all in Hindi. But this camp, she also experienced tremendously. She experienced good spiritual activity because this camp is basically in Hindi. So she's also learning a lot. And fine, now everything said and done. We have learned a lot, we have listened a lot, everything. But what is very, very crucial and very important is to practice what we've learned.
Yes.
It is not the end result. End result will come, but the process is what is very, very crucial and important. What we have learned, even 1% of that, what we learned from this camp, if we implement and practice and put it into the activities of a daily routine, it will make us an awesome person. That's
Well
what
said.
we believe in.
Well said, well
So
said.
I also pray that all the attendees in the camp, they also practice and implement whatever they've got from these teachings over here.
That's
And the best part is this teaching that we are receiving here, we have received all is because of Gurudev's blessings, his own place where we are standing here.
Yeah.
We also
We are standing
got his-
next to the
he's got his
his
from
kutir.
this place also. So
Yep.
we are very, very, we are very blessed to get this teachings from this place, this Siddhabari, is what it is.
Yeah. CP, tell us more about the orange robe that you are wearing.
Oh, this is something very, very, very fantastic. First day when they gave this, I used to wonder what is this for, like. And then when you wear it, Vijay told that once you wear this, you will be a man of principle. You will adhere to all the rules and regulations of the spiritual activities that goes on around in the ashram. So when you wear this, you really get conscious and you feel, yes, I am also one of the swamis moving around in this ashram, and I should not get distracted. And obviously, you don't get distracted when wearing this robe, and it is too good. This is one of the, like I would say, one of the reminders for each and every Vedantin to say this is the beginning. Now from this robe itself, whatever you're practicing, even if the robe is not there, you have to continue your practice. So
Right,
it is
that's right. And then since the robe was given to everyone, there was a sense of oneness and belongingness in the entire team.
Uniformity was
Yes,
there.
uniformity was there.
Because the main philosophy of Vedanta is like, I am you are me, everyone is one. So when they speak, when they give this attire, we already started experiencing that we are all one
Yep.
around here.
Yes,
That
sir.
is the best part. Another thing about the place over here, the host, they treated us really very nicely. The place beautiful. There was no problems at all. Even the food that we received, it was awesome. Even the stay was beautiful. There was
Yes.
no problems at all. Everyone helping each other, and they were too good. Is what I have experienced.
It's a complete sense of family.
Yes, exactly. A complete sense of family. We didn't feel at any time that we were outsiders over here. We didn't feel any time uncomfortable or felt like I expected something and this is what I get. No, it was too good. In fact, it was better than what we expected. So overall, I am waiting for the next spiritual camp to come. I've heard that it is in Rishikesh, so waiting for the next camp to come.
Hari Om.
That's
सचिन जी, हरिओम सचिन जी, आपने हमारी बहुत सेवा की सचिन जी, धन्यवाद। आप रोज सुबह टाइम पे आ रहे हैं, सफर सब हमारा कपड़ा संभाल रहे हो। सचिन जी, हमने आपके बारे में बहुत अच्छी बातें सुनी है, बहुत धन्यवाद आपका। हरिओम माँ, आप लोग हमारी इतना सेवा कर रहे हो, आप लोग अरे कोई बात नहीं, आप लोग हमारी इतना सेवा करते हो, अच्छा लगा। हम लोग यहाँ पे आए इतने दिन, 6-7 दिन थे हम लोग। आप यहीं पे रहते हो, इस बाड़ी में रहते हो? अच्छी बात है। ओह, today it's going to be idlis. हरिओम। हाँ, हरिओम। हरिओम माँ, अंदर क्या स्टोर है क्या पूरा?
एक मिनट हरी एक मिनट यस रेडी वन मिनट